How to make green dye in Minecraft. Don't stare at me. Okay, first you need to get some cactus. You can get these near riverbeds in the sand. We have some cactus growing. Okay, can go ahead and mine these cactus. Right, go get them. Just punch on them and they'll get destroyed. Then you need a furnace. I actually had a furnace somewhere right here. Let's see. There we go. So this is my furnace. You just need to right click on your furnace and add a fuel source here at the bottom. You can use something like charcoal or even a lava bucket. Oh, there you go. I got my smooth stone that I was making before. And then all you need to do is place your cactus here at the top. So charcoal at the bottom, your fuel source, and then your cactus at the top. Wait for this white area to fill up, and then you'll have your green dye. So there we go. We have our green dye. I can go ahead and pick this up. And you can make things like green beds and stuff like that. Very easy, very simple. There you go.